Top 12 Amazon Kitchen Gadgets You'll Wish You Bought Sooner. Struggling with messy prep, stubborn lids, or meals that take way too long? We've all been there. But what if I told you that the right kitchen gadgets could make cooking faster, easier, and, dare I say, fun? Today, I'm showing you 12 genius kitchen gadgets from Amazon that'll change the way you cook forever. From chopping veggies in seconds to getting that perfect drizzle of oil, these tools are game changers. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever lived without these. Let's dive in. Rafbar Meat Tenderizer Attachment. Take your home cooking to the next level with the Rafbar Meat Tenderizer Attachment, designed for KitchenAid and Cuisinart stand mixers. This high-quality attachment transforms tough cuts of beef, pork, lamb, and venison into restaurant-quality tenderness by allowing marinades and rubs to penetrate deeper. Its adjustable knob offers 3 settings to customize meat thickness and texture, ensuring perfect results every time. The widened plastic safety cover provides added protection during use, while its durable stainless steel construction guarantees longevity. Ideal for home chefs looking to save time, this tenderizer significantly reduces meal prep without sacrificing flavor. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Just attach, tenderize, and enjoy juicier, more flavorful meals in minutes. Sweet. Alice Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set. Why struggle with manual grinders when you can enjoy effortless seasoning at the flip of a wrist? The Sweet Alice Gravity Electric Grinder Set automatically dispenses fresh ground pepper or salt simply by tilting it. No buttons, no hassle. Adjustable grind settings allow for coarse or fine seasoning, while the high-quality ceramic rotor ensures consistency. The built-in LED light illuminates your dish for precise seasoning, perfect for dimly lit kitchens or candlelit dinners. Made with a sleek acrylic design, it's easy to see when it's time for a refill. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen or seasoning at the table, this battery-powered grinder set brings convenience and style to every meal. Elevate your cooking experience with modern, hands-free spice grinding. WIBIMEN Round Ice Cube Tray. With Bin. Upgrade your drinks with perfectly round ice spheres every time. The WIBIMEN Round Ice Cube Tray features an easy fill design. Just pour water, close the lid, and let it freeze. Unlike traditional silicone molds, this sturdy tray releases ice balls effortlessly with a simple twist. No more struggling to pop them out. The built-in conical bump ensures smooth, perfectly shaped spheres, making them ideal for whiskey, bourbon, cocktails, and even iced coffee. Crafted from premium, food-grade material, it's safer, sturdier, and free from chemical odors. Whether for a casual evening drink or an elegant gathering, this ice ball maker is a game-changer. Say goodbye to small, fast-melting cubes and hello to slow-melting, aesthetically pleasing ice spheres. Mystozer Magnetic Spice Rack. Running out of counter space? The Mystozer Magnetic Spice Rack is a simple yet powerful storage solution that keeps your spices within reach. Built with an ultra-strong magnet, it attaches securely to the side of your fridge or any metal surface, eliminating clutter and maximizing kitchen space. Rust-proof and heavy-duty, this rack can hold multiple spice jars without wobbling. Easily reposition it whenever you need, thanks to its adjustable no-drill design. Ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who loves an organized cooking space, this magnetic spice rack ensures your favorite seasonings are always at your fingertips. A practical and stylish gift for home chefs who value convenience and efficiency. YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer for cooking. Take control of your oil usage with the YARRAMATE Oil Sprayer, a must-have for health-conscious cooks. This dual-function sprayer allows for precise pouring or fine mist spraying, ensuring even distribution without excess oil. Whether you're dressing salads, grilling meats, or air-frying veggies, this 470 milliliter BPA-free glass bottle is perfect for all your cooking needs. Its ergonomic design includes a front-facing nozzle for a pure, uniform mist, while the clear glass body lets you monitor oil levels effortlessly. A wide mouth opening makes refilling and cleaning simple. No mess, no spills. Enjoy healthier, flavorful meals with an oil sprayer designed for efficiency, control, and convenience. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Crisp, fresh greens are just a spin away with the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Salad. Featuring a one-handed pump mechanism, this spinner makes drying lettuce, herbs, and veggies effortless. A patented brake stops the spinning instantly, and the non-slip base keeps it steady on countertops. The removable basket doubles as a colander, while the durable, clear bowl is perfect for serving or storing. With a compact, stackable design and a locking lid, it's easy to store when not in use. Whether you're prepping a light summer salad or washing greens for meal prep, this spinner is a kitchen essential that keeps your produce fresh and ready to serve. SOOPLEU Avocado Saver and Tomato Holder. Tired of wasting half-used fruits and vegetables? The SOOPLEU Avocado Saver and Tomato Holder is the perfect solution for keeping cut produce fresher for longer. Designed with an airtight food-grade silicone seal, it prevents oxidation while locking in moisture and flavor. The innovative, rotating lid ensures easy opening and closing, while the compact design saves fridge space. Ideal for storing avocados, tomatoes, onions, lemons, and more, this container eliminates the need for plastic wrap or disposable bags. Versatile and travel-friendly, it's perfect for on-the-go snacking at work, picnics, or camping trips. Reduce food waste, keep your fridge organized, and enjoy fresh produce every time. Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press. Forget tedious mincing. Crush garlic effortlessly with the Zulay Kitchen Garlic Press. Built with rust-resistant food-grade stainless steel, this durable tool is designed to last. With an ergonomic handle, it requires minimal effort to crush cloves, extracting maximum flavor in seconds. No need to peel, just place the unpeeled garlic in the chamber and press. The built-in studs ensure a smooth, even consistency for every... Cleaning is hassle-free. Rinse under running water or toss it in the dishwasher. More than just a garlic press, this multi-purpose tool can also mince ginger, onions, or nuts. A must-have kitchen essential for home cooks and professionals alike. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Say goodbye to overcooked eggs with the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, the ultimate solution for fast, foolproof egg preparation. This compact appliance lets you cook up to 6 eggs at a time, whether you prefer soft, medium, or hard-boiled. Need variety? It also poaches eggs and makes individual omelets in minutes. Simply add water, press start, and let the cooker do the rest. The auto shut-off feature ensures perfect results without monitoring. Lightweight and space-saving, it's perfect for dorms, RVs, or small kitchens. With included accessories like a poaching tray and measuring cup, this egg cooker makes breakfast prep easier than ever. Otstar Jar Opener. Struggling to open stubborn jars? The Otstar Jar Opener is here to help. This all-in-one opener set includes a 6-in-1 jar opener, 5-in-1 bottle opener, and a silicone gripper pad, perfect for tackling everything from vacuum-sealed jars to pull-tab cans. Featuring non-slip rubber grips and an ergonomic design, it provides excellent leverage with minimal effort. Ideal for seniors, arthritis sufferers, or anyone with weak grip strength, this tool is a kitchen lifesaver. Compact and easy to store, it's a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone who loves cooking but hates struggling with lids. Open jars, cans, and bottles effortlessly with the Otstar Jar Opener. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons. Level up your cooking precision with the Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons. Designed with durable stainless steel, these spoons feature dual-ended measurements, an oval end to fit into spice jars, and a round end for liquids. The strong magnetic design keeps them neatly stacked for easy storage, eliminating the hassle of loose spoons. With clear engraved markings that won't fade, you'll never second-guess measurements again. Dishwasher safe and rust-resistant, these spoons are built to last. Whether baking, cooking, or measuring supplements, this set makes every recipe effortless and accurate. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Prepping veggies has never been easier. The Fullstar Vegetable Chopper is an all-in-one kitchen tool featuring 11 interchangeable blades for chopping, dicing, spiralizing, and julienning. Sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades ensure precise cuts, while the BPA-free plastic body guarantees durability. Whether you're slicing onions, grating cheese, or spiralizing zucchini, this chopper speeds up meal prep while keeping your hands safe. The compact container catches chopped ingredients, reducing mess and cleanup time. Dishwasher safe and easy to store, this chopper is a must-have for anyone who loves cooking fresh, healthy meals. That's a wrap on our top 12 Amazon kitchen gadgets you'll wish you'd bought sooner. We've covered absolute game changers, like the Fullstar vegetable chopper that turns prep into a breeze, the Sweet Alice gravity grinders for effortless seasoning, and the Dash rapid egg cooker that's breakfast perfection. These tools aren't just gadgets. They're your ticket to a smoother, tastier kitchen life. Personally, I can't get over the Dash egg cooker, those flawless eggs every time. Yes, please. What about you? Which one's calling your name? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to hear. All the links are in the description, so head to Amazon, grab your favorites, like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell for more kitchen goodies.